Jury selection is underway in R. Kelly's federal trial happening here in Chicago. Now, he's already been convicted and sentenced for similar charges in New York. Our Dane Placco is live at the federal courthouse right now. Dane, what are we expecting?
Hi, Sally. Yeah, jury selection has been underway for about an hour now here at the Dirksen Federal Building up on the large ceremonial courtroom on the 25th floor. It is expected to continue with jury selection until tomorrow, although it is moving fairly quickly right now. Now, this is the second federal trial for R&B singer R. Kelly, starting just 6 weeks after a federal judge in New York sentenced Kelly to 30 years in prison for a slew of underage sex charges. In this trial, he's facing charges of child pornography, obstruction of justice, and the enticement of minors into criminal sexual activity. Now, Kelly is here at the Dirksen Federal Building wearing a charcoal gray suit, also glasses, as he stood before prospective jurors this morning. There are also two co-defendants on trial, former employees Daryl McDavid and Milton June Brown. They're charged with helping Kelly hide his criminal conduct and tampering with witnesses in a 2008 trial here in Chicago in which he was acquitted. Now, before jurors were brought in this morning, Kelly's attorney, Jennifer Bonjean, asked the judge in this case, Harry Leinenweber, to question jurors on whether they had watched the docuseries called Surviving R. Kelly, which aired in 2019 and 2020. She argued that anybody that had seen even part of that series could not be an impartial juror and should be immediately dismissed. The judge has been asking jurors whether they've seen or know anything about the case, but he has not specifically been asking about that documentary. Now, so far, 6 prospective jurors have been questioned. As we say, the questioning began about an hour or so ago. There's a pool of about 40, I should tell you, and one of the jurors was immediately dismissed. She stood up before the judge and she said, you know, initially I thought I could be a fair and impartial juror, but after reading something about the case over the weekend, I cannot. And Judge Leinenweber immediately dismissed her. Trial is expected to take about a month, and the judge indicating that he's going to keep a very strict court schedule Monday through Friday, starting at 10 o'clock in the morning and going until 5 o'clock this afternoon. It is going to take a long time to determine R. Kelly's fate in this particular trial. Live at the Dirksen Federal Building, Dane Placco, Fox 32 Chicago. Sally, back to you.
Dane, obviously this is a very high-profile defendant, a high-profile case. What's the attention like? What's the feeling there at the courthouse?
There's a lot of security, in fact, about as much security as I've seen for any trial. And there have been a lot of big-name trials, as you certainly know, here at the Dirksen Federal Building. Of course, the main security as you enter on the ground floor where we are right now, but also another magnetometer set up on the 25th floor before you go into the courtroom. All the seats in the courtroom are being assigned. There are some seats set aside for the media covering this trial. Very few seats available for the public right now. The main part of the courtroom is being taken up by that prospective jury pool of about 40 people, and they'll be there for the next couple of days.
All right, Dane Placco live for us. We know you're going to be covering that all day long. We'll check back in with you at 4. Thanks so much.
All right.